Hi guys, welcome back to the Daily Forex. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you guys the secrets of trading boom and crash indices like a pro. The first secret I'm going to share with you guys is thinking outside the box. So what I mean by this is that you need to always think outside the box that the market will crash at any given point, and that happens always on the crash and boom markets, but mainly on the crash market. You need to know this all the time so that you can get in better position and hold on to it on the market. And that is the number one secret I'm going to share with you guys. And the second one is to know your positions. With this, you can better understand your trading patterns and strategy. For example, let's say I'm on the crash 500 index market and my goal as a day trader is to meet $100. What I'm going to do is stick to a trading pattern and strategy for that trade. For another example, I'm going to be using a $10 account and I'm going to set my lot size to 0.2 because I'm trading for the day and I want to make sure I meet a goal of $100 for that day. So I'm going to make sure I manage the $10 so I don't blow up my account, and I'm going to get a better risk management and a good and easy strategy. I'm going to take 5 candlesticks and cash one spike at a time, and I'm going to reach this goal of $100 in a day by following the same strategy over and over that same day. The trading pattern I'm going to use is patience. If you don't have patience when trading, you're going to end up blowing up your account. So stick to one pattern in a trade. Do not say, I wish I have stayed in the market for long, I would have made more profits. No, don't do that, because the market might crash and you may end up losing the profit you made from that trade. So know your positions always and stick to it. So the third secret is to calculate your lot size. The smallest lot size you can use in crash and boom is 0.20 lot size, which is about $3.25, and with the lot size of that you get 10 cents for each candle ticks. And if you are taking just 5 candles at a time with 0.2 lot size, you make a profit of 50 cents per 5 candles. And if you get 5 candles successfully on the market, you make a $1 profit for 10 candle ticks. And each candle can only be traded on a 1-minute time frame, a 15-minute time frame, and also a 30-minute time frames, and even up to a 1-week time frame. So your lot size will determine how much profit you get for each candle ticks and how much losses if the trade goes against you. So don't just jump into the market and trade. What you need to do is get a pen, a paper, and write down your entry and exit points, and also calculate your lot size and write down your goal for the day and stick to one trading pattern so that you can meet that goal for the trade. Another secret is to set your stop loss level. It's very necessary to set your stop loss level when trading. Many traders don't use stop loss when trading, and that's why they count their losses more than their profits. Okay, a stop loss will help you prevent more losses on a trade. If my goal is to catch a spike, what I will do is calculate my risk tolerance and set a stop loss after 5 candlesticks before a spike will occur. But if the spike does not occur after 5 candlesticks, the trade will close automatically because it has reached my stop loss level. Okay, so I set a stop loss level when I want to catch a spike, so that if the spike do not occur, the stop loss will prevent me from losing much on the market. And if the spike do not occur after the 5 candles, the trade will close automatically because it has reached my stop loss level. But if the spikes occurs and it's a big spike, that would be a very big profit for me. So I hope you got that right. Okay, so if you don't know how to set up a stop loss level on your chart, the link is going to be on the description below. It will take you to one of my videos on how to set a stop loss level and take profit levels on the trade. So these are just a few of them. There are a lot of secrets to trade boom and crash like a pro, and I hope after watching this video you now understand the secret I have mentioned and share with you guys. And if you love this video, do well to like and subscribe to my channel on YouTube, The Daily Forex. I will see you guys on the next video.